Okay, we're back. So, Red Cat ended up actually coming up. Um, Remember that was that zone there that I was saying is the buy zone. That ended up holding true. It did break it a little bit, and I got nervous there, but I stayed true to what I thought. So that's good. So we'll just wait for this to get some movement here. Let's check out everything else. SPI. I only have half size in this right now. Might be a good idea to start bringing my position down. I can probably take some more. I'll just take 5. That's fine. I'll just take 5 more and see if I can get filled there. Other than that, HSA is moving up. Hook crapped out. That's okay. But the big player right now is Red Cat. Let's check out the hello? Leaf. Alright, what's up, man? Let me turn on the stream for you here. There you go, brother. You can see what I'm doing. Other than that, the market looks good. Baz is still moving up slow, so that's gonna say something for the bulls. I mean, so we've got to be kind of turning around here on the Qs and the SPY. So I wouldn't doubt if we start seeing it move lower. VIX is still holding, so whatever. That's fine. That's fine. We'll just say whatever on that. But yeah, Red Cat. That's probably gonna work out. Is there anything else? Let's look. Refresh here. 300% on NUTX. PLX. Hold on, what was that? Could be a scalp. Looking at the 5 minute right now. I got my 1 minute over here, 5 minute, a 30 minute chart, and then the overall, I got a 4 hour chart here. Shows me even more info. But this is kind of at a support right now. I want to see the time and sales start going green. Especially with these bigger orders, because I got the filter on the time and sales, so I want to see that go green. Yep. But nothing yet on this. I mean, it could be at the support. It's just hesitating, but I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's just look at our other plays like Red Cat, because that one seems like we're gonna get filled here, and I can probably take. Well, I'm fine. I was gonna add some more behind that, but that's fine. That's fine. We'll just leave that. SPI though, we did get filled on that just now on that bid. So we're gonna slowly move our average lower on this as it dips, and we're gonna be looking to get move up to this peak of that 25 moving average on the 30 here, which is like 350 to 360 around there. I'm gonna look to take profits there. So if I can get my average down to 320 and make a 30 cent per share on that, that'd be nice. HSA, okay. Anyways, I mean it all looks good. But Red Cat is really the star, so I want to be watching that for sure. And when my order gets filled, if I should come back in or not, that's what I'm gonna worry about. Let's take a look at GameStop. What's GameStop doing? Nice rejection off the support area here. So don't think we're gonna see much lower than 150 for now, at least. Maybe later, just because of how hard this ran. So it might go and slowly come back down, but I think it's gonna be locked in for now. Anyways, the most active. Yeah, Twitter's the most active stock for today because Elon Musk bought all those shares of Twitter. He bought like 10% of Twitter, so he's doing things. And that's a really nice chart there. I'm liking that chart. What does HYMC do? What did they do? Yeah, kind of rejecting off this support. Not convinced yet. I want to see it do something like this. I want to see it come down and start rejecting. Making the great. See, this is starting to reject, but this might kind of zigzag for a little while, so that's okay. But ideally, you want it to come down, see some rejection, just like that green candle there, and just hold for a little while. You know, not be able to break downwards and just run out of sellers. And when you're out of sellers, you got buyers. You're moving up. So I think we still have a little bit of ways to go. This might experience a pop and then zigzag, so that could be a good one to scalp, but other than that, not sure what else. I mean, we'll just sit and wait, see what happens on Red Cat, and put my feet up here. See what goes on. Real slow. Supports at 250. I mean, resistance at 250 on Red Cat. Well, Yeah, that's weird there. That must have had a bunch of halts. Bam, 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 bam. 300%'s a lot, you know. Went from $5 to $52. That's a lot of percentage. GBS, look at that. Making almost the same kind of chart as Red Cat a little bit. That curl up action. Breaks 109. That's going to be bullish for some new highs. Kind of holding that 106, 107 area. So not really enough momentum looks like to break out of it. So I'm not going to put my money here for right now. Unless I'm wrong and it's looking to pop up. There's 107. Might have spoke too soon, so let's see. Um, yeah, I don't know. Not too sure on that one. There goes. Just 108. He just tapped 108. Might scalp this. Let's see. 100 shares. There's 109. Let's see if we can break that. Take 109 there. There's 110. 111. I like that. I like that. Wow, good job. So we do have the breakout on GBS right now. Looks like it's gonna be going higher. About there. Let me go and alert this. Nice pop there to 117. Wonder if I can grab that bid at 114. Nope, 115. Got it. Sell at 117. 18, 118. Can I grab that? Got that. Let's see if I can do it again at 115. Nope, 117. Nice. Can I grab it at 121? Oh, out there. That trade just put me green on the day slightly. I was slightly down. Now I'm slightly up. So we're kind of teeter-tottering between break-even these days. Just showing my skill and what I'm capable of doing. I'm starting to turn into a profitable trader, which is good. It's good, you know, because some days I'd be up like 600 bucks, then, you know, next days, you know, over 3 weeks or something, I'd be down like 700. So overall, I was losing money. It seems like I'm starting to detach from the market, which is important for your success in the market. If you get too attached to the money, you know, you won't see the market for what it is, and you'll just want to just, you know, you won't really be able to see the market clearly. If you stay a little bit detached, what's really helped me is playing Elden Ring. Believe it or not, Elden Ring has helped me in the market because it took my mind away. I was almost treating the market like a video game. But now that I actually have a video game to play, it's like the market, I go to the market, it doesn't look too good. It doesn't look, okay, this looks okay. You know, instead of being like, oh, it doesn't look good, but, oh, I bet I could do it. You know, so much, much, much different way of seeing the market, you know. So as of right now, we got 5 swings. Today, I'm probably going to toss 2 of them. It's going to be SPI and Red Cat. I'll probably end up tossing 2 of those there. Okay, nice move there. I'm going to go ahead and buy that ask. I'll probably end up tossing Red Cat and SPI if I don't see anything crazy. 25, 126, we'll take 126. If I don't see anything crazy, I'll end up tossing those and get ready for the days ahead. That'll probably be the best bet. Waiting on this right now. But Yeah, so that's you know, it's probably gonna break out higher, but I don't want to get caught in that trying to take it. So I'm gonna try and just take that 126 and call it there. Might be a little bit too overextended now, but let's just see. For learning purposes, let's see. I'm not gonna keep any money in it, especially with these type of trades. I don't want to keep any money in it right now. I'm gonna see what it's doing. Crazy rejection there. I think it might go to 140, but the thing is that how it gets to 140, I think it's just gonna blast, and then that might be it, you know. So I don't want to get caught up trying to take that. What I could do is I could buy it right now and then just put a sell order at like 137 or 8. I could do that, but I'm not sure if. Well, there it goes. That's okay. 33. Touched 133 there. Any news come out about it? Diabetes treatment. Cool. So I'm actually gonna bounce on that. That's fine. Let's look at Red Cat again. Looks like it's still holding that level there. Fine. SPI. We're still good on SPI. So that's totally fine. I guess we'll just keep watching GBS and see what it does. I almost want to say it hasn't had a huge, crazy orgasm yet, you know? Like there's usually a crazy, huge spike. Might be here. Let's see what I can do. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna sell it like 37. Oh, see if I can grab that. 34, 35. 36 just got filled. There's the big orgasm. No longer gonna buy. Alright. That's it. See how far it wants to go then, I guess. Or this is the big move. Might be here. Either way, now this is what I would want to see, to where I would say, okay, this is done now. The final push like this. And then rejection, right? I want to see. And you know what? We're actually at a moving average right now, so definitely could be it. Also could push past, so we'll see. But I'm betting that it's it. Oh wow, another breakout there. I mean, that 25 is moving up with it, you know, so it's gonna be holding some of these prices, but it's just the risk to reward isn't there anymore. So playing, or if I played around this area, you know, anywhere around this area, the risk to reward isn't there. It's here. You see where it's stair stepping, but it's not here when it's shooting up. It's not there. Wonder what I can grab on a play like this, if it's gonna shoot down, or if it's gonna hold these levels. I wonder what's next on this type of play. So I might watch it here for just a bit longer, and that'll be it. Take a look at our other plays. Oh, red cat's up. Nice. See that hit our price. SPI. I'm not really worried about that. I'm just checking out. HESA is also coming up. Everything's coming up. That's great. That's great. Take a look at GBS. I don't want to miss that opportunity. If it takes a nice big dip there, you can grab steal some shares on a mistake. If the market makes a mistake, you know. Yeah. Definitely could make a mistake, so I'm gonna take a look at this one. Candle right here on the 1 minute. Waiting for that mistake. I almost want to have an order already in for 100 at like. I almost want it like 130. I'm gonna sell 100 at 135. He's not stopping. Mm-hmm. Might get one more trade on this, and then that'll be it. And I'm hoping it's that dip down to the 25. Since we're on the 1 minute, it's definitely gonna happen. The question is when. Well, you know, it's definitely gonna happen on all the time frames, but for the the time that I'm trading right now, it's definitely gonna happen very soon. So I'm sell idiot. Red cat got filled. Good job, red cat. Moving on up, huh? Good job. See what it wants to do. Push, push, push. Cool. So we'll just leave that. I'm not gonna take another position there. That's fine. Back to GBS. So let's actually go back to SPI. It's still breaking down lower, and I don't like that. I don't like the way it's doing that. What's the history like? Pop, down, pop. What is this? Is this the lowest it's been in a while? Yeah. Um, almost want to toss it. Almost. I'm almost there. What's funny is that it's almost at support too. So let me write that down. That's something that I've struggled with. Selling at support. Almost selling at support. Okay. Things that I did wrong. So we'll let that thing go a little bit lower, and then we're gonna take some shares. I'm gonna take 10 more on SPI at around. I wonder if I can grab them for 285. Yeah, that's a 285. Can I grab them for 285? Hopefully. CBS, what you doing, buddy? You're holding, huh? CBS is holding. Yes, it is holding. Yeah, we'll take the stab when it dips, and we'll get a quick scalp on it, and then that'll be it. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. I think it's actually gonna break that 25 now. So I'm no longer feeling 130. I'm feeling like 125, 26. Get ready here. Under that. See 126. Try and close it 131. Not liking that price action. I'm gonna move it down even lower. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm moving it down even lower. We're gonna go to 120. $120. What's their 67 cents per share? That's how much their cash value is. Okay. At least they're not crazy in debt. $120. Waiting for that $120. You know, I'm not even sure if I even want to play this anymore. Um, might be might be a little too risky. So I think I'm done. I'm getting a little tired. Um, I think I'm done. That's fine. We're just gonna call it. If anything, I'm just gonna leave this order for like $1. Yeah, like 102. I'm gonna leave 100 shares to buy at 102, and we'll just leave it at that because that was, the previous kind of support dealio there. So I'll leave it at 102. We'll take that. We'll see what that does. All right. Anyways, see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.